That's the life when you're living in the ghetto. Ghetto me born and raised ghetto. Yes, I. Big up on yourself. Well, the other day I was going through some comments, and I see where some people are saying, because of some story we cover from some inner city place, you know what I mean? And with some people I say, yo, boy, all dirty ghetto this and ghetto that and that and that and this and that. So, but this said, you know, a new link, you're going to cover a topic, you know, because I see my some people understand about the ghetto thing. I'm going to cover the story and make the people fully understand about this ghetto thing, because them don't know. And the truth of the matter is, we're going to tell them this now. Now people talk bad about Jamaica and ghetto this and ghetto people that and them all this and that. But listen me. You see, most top inner city people we see right now, whether sports, entertainment, enough of them, they were born and raised in the ghettos of Jamaica. They see I'm looking at dirty people, when I say dirty ghetto people, dirty nigga ghetto people. You understand? And I can tell you this, from my experience, I get better treatment when me go in the ghetto than the people up uptown. Because when me go uptown, in them gated community, as me start walk on the road, I let me go up a Avondale and them place there. As me start walk on the road, people, I be a security that come and look and say car start drive to and this and that. Yeah, me know say them are, yes, me know that. You understand? It's like he's a fugitive in your own country. But when me go in the ghetto now, people, I me make a link and come say boom in the ghetto now. Me wrote it, me get one of the best treatment. I remember going in the ghetto, people, and time did catch up on me. You understand? So I could go downtown and go look at taxi or whatever I want, or a bus. I mean at the ghetto place there, you know. I mean I tell us people, a room the man them give me for the night. By myself me there in a room. You understand? Cut big pot and give me, you mean go tell you, good treatment. You understand? The same ghetto. So nice, so fun. People that live together live good. So not everybody who you see from the ghettos are bad people. And not because them say ghetto meaning say I be a gunman or wicked people did they or whatever. We know so enough of the ghetto them run under orders, which if they run under orders, things that be out of more control than out is. You understand? And I can tell you say, Jamaica, me love Jamaican ghetto. And me will never diss nor style ghetto people nor Jamaica, no day, never, ever. You get me? Because enough corruption start from uptown, you know. And them, just because of poverty line, them use ghetto youth, trick them, you understand? Because of financial difficulties with them on their side, you get me? And trick them and use them while them stay uptown and make them done there, kill off their one another. You get me? So me can't style ghetto people nor ghetto youth and say them are the fault towards these things or what. Me blame the fault that come from up there, so. Yeah. See? So what they are talking about Tivoli Gardens, Waterhouse, you get me? Any one of these community people, I can tell you this, sir. I love them. And not basically talking about ghettos in Kingston. You have ghettos all over Jamaica if you're going on. If you know this now. You get me? If you to know what they consider ghetto. Most people consider ghetto some zinc up place and you get me? I say some local house local something that's like then they're close by one of the all 5 houses in a 1 yard and I just say yes, zinc up and there something the people. But me can't tell you this. Ghetto life could never diss it. You get me? I say, and me now go say because I'm not living in the ghetto now, I can't reach back in the ghetto because I was there before. You get me? I say people, things can do up in their life and me can. And in the ghetto too. In the ghetto, I say nice big house there too. Yeah, you have some people who decide to say, yo, go on, I now left me ghetto, you know. I have some barn, I have some rates, you know. And I now sell it out, me I stay, you say, you know. You get me, I say? Yo, when I get a man, get up and play dominoes and them something there. You have a big table, line off, we cook with food, everybody enjoy themselves, play some music, having a good time. You get me? We not think about violence and them thing there. People protect themselves. Every man have protect themselves, protect them family. You get me, I say? That's how get to live. You have some people who intend at time to break the rules and break the laws and get up people and support thief. For your thief, we don't want to see you in the ghettos. You get me, I say? So me don't know about the American ghettos. They like the New York ghettos, you know, because ghetto they are foreign to, you know. So make them come check with you and like to get they are foreign to, you know. You get me I say? But all me can say is, don't diss the Jamaican ghettos or the Jamaican ghetto people, because they are good people. You get me I say? Yes, we are good people, and I will always consider myself a ghetto youth out of Jamaica, prone to be and never gonna sell it out. So you don't know a thing of my people, you know. This is a New Link from New Link Production, man. I mean, it's attack. I don't know enough love, enough respect to each and everyone who support the thing, who are, you know what I mean, like, who subscribe, who share and everything. Peace out. Attack them.